Hey, what's up, everyone? I want to walk you through a brand new affiliate program that pays monthly reoccurring commission and high ticket commission. This is going to be a brand new affiliate program from MakerAI. Now, I want to walk you through how you can get 30% starting today as an affiliate, but more importantly, how you can upgrade that to 40% monthly reoccurring commission. So I'm going to walk you through this process. This is the MakerAI JV page. Okay, you're going to want to get access to this. That way you can use this to upgrade to 40%, sign up for it. I'll leave this link down in the description below, but you can also go to getmakerai.com/JV. Okay. Now, I'm going to walk you through the process here and how to sign up. And then I'm going to also show you how you can increase to 40% instead of the regular 30% commission. Okay. So first things first, when you go to getmakerai.com/JV, you're going to click on where it says sign up to promote MakerAI. Okay. So you're going to click on this right here and it's going to take you to the page where you sign up. Okay. So I've already signed up myself, obviously. But once you enter your name, email, all that good information, it's going to ask you for the payout. So you click on the payout method, you select PayPal, you add your PayPal account, and now you're good to go to start getting paid. Now, we do have several links in here that I'm going to walk you through. Okay. The first one is the typical default page. Okay. So this one here, if you click on it, and this is the link that you're promoting, it'll take someone to the checkout page. Okay. So depending on how you want to sell MakerAI, it depends on you. Okay. But the default page will go here where people can choose if they want the monthly plan, if they want the yearly, or the lifetime. Okay. Now, the cool thing here is you get 30% commission on everything that they buy. Okay. So whether they get the monthly, you're going to get paid every single month. Okay. And if they get any of these upsells, whether it's here or later on in the funnel, you also get paid for that as well. Everything is connected to your account. Super powerful. Okay. Now, again, this is the default page. If you're just sending people directly to the page where they buy, that's going to be this main link here, okay, which is the default link. So this is the link that it will default to unless you change it, okay? Now, for those of you who you want to focus on a free trial, you can use this link as well, okay? Obviously, you don't get paid until they pay, after their free trial, but you can also use this as well if that's your strategy for Get MakerAI. All right. Now, one thing that we do have is we have a coaching program that helps people basically learn how to code using AI. And this is called SaaS Accelerator. Okay. Now, this is cool because it's in line with what MakerAI does, right? So for those of you who don't know, MakerAI is a software that helps people build software using AI, and it helps them get customers. Okay. Now, for those who want the coaching, you can also promote this as well. So let me just go to this link here for SaaS Accelerator for those who want more of the higher ticket commission. Okay, so I'm going to click on this link here and I'm going to show you kind of the different options. Okay, so this is going to be similar as well. You get the 30 or 40% commission depending on where you're at. And I'm going to show you how to upgrade in just a little bit. But with AI Software Accelerator, this is essentially a coaching program. Now, there's different tiers. There's a yearly plan where they pay $1,000, or there's a monthly plan as well. Okay. Again, anytime you send people to these links and they buy, you get the 30% commission or 40%, which I'll show you how to upgrade as well. Okay. So that's how this works. Okay. So we got the main plan here. This is just the main MakerAI plan. This is the higher ticket coaching. This is the free trial if you just want to, send people to a free trial. Now, this is going to be a very interesting one as well, is the weekly workshop. Okay, I want to talk about that because this is pretty cool. So for those of you who want to send people to a free workshop and you get paid, and I do the closing for you, you can do that. Okay, so the way it works is if you send someone, let's just say, to this free workshop here, okay, they're going to basically get a presentation where I show them how to build software using AI. Okay. So that's what happens here. They get this free presentation. And then what happens is, let's just say you send someone to this workshop, they join, they watch, and then they buy on the workshop, you still get paid. Okay. Now, the cool thing is this is free to join. Okay. But then if they buy at the end of the presentation, you get paid a commission. Okay. So that's basically how the workshop works. And then, for example, if I click on this link right here, you'll notice that it's essentially just a sign up page where people can go sign up for this free workshop. And this is done live every Wednesday. Okay. So this is, again, you send someone here and then they sign up for free. Okay. Because again, the main thing here is we're going to show them how to build the entire thing. But then at the end, we show them how they can, how they can get lifetime access. And then you're going to get the 30 or 40% as the affiliate. Okay. So different options for you guys. I do want to show you how popular the workshop has been. If I go to my, I have to find it here, but if I go to my, my channel here, I just want to see if I can find it. Let's see. I know I had one, let me see. I think I had one go extremely viral. I believe it was this one here. No, it wasn't that one, but let me see. Yeah, as you can see, I made a post about, AI, and then I just told people to go to the workshop, and I'm just simply sending people to the free workshop. Now, as you can see, like we get hundreds and hundreds of comments because it's a different type of offer, right? So I think that's a really cool thing to kind of really notice. I think this is it right here. Yeah, this is the one that went super viral. As you can see, all I'm doing is just promoting AI products. And then I'm like, hey, if you want to go check out this workshop on how we build software using AI, go check it out, right? And then what's cool is those workshops are done live, and then if someone buys, then you get paid as an affiliate. Okay. So you can see right here. Yeah, this is the one that went super viral, hundreds and hundreds of comments. You can see everyone's commenting workshop, 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 right? And all I'm doing is sending people to the workshop, right? So the same link that I just showed you, I'm just sending them there, right? Because when you send someone to the workshop in the affiliate program, like I said, if you send someone here and they buy later on the workshop, then you get paid. Okay. Now here's the cool thing. Let's just say you send someone to this workshop, right? And they don't buy. Well, the lead is still hard coded to you. Okay. So let's just say you send someone here to the workshop and then they buy maybe 3 weeks later, right? Let's just say 3 weeks later, maybe they click on an ad from us, right? Maybe there's an ad that they click from us, or they watch one of my YouTube videos, or they click on one of my emails, right? You still get paid as the affiliate. That's the cool thing, right? So if you send someone to this workshop and, they buy 3 weeks later or 5 weeks later, 12 months later, you still get paid as an affiliate. Okay. So we do that for our affiliates. That way they can, because we want to make sure that you're taken care of. Okay. So different options for you here. And then for those who just want to simply send to the main homepage, you can do that as well. Okay. If I were you, I would focus on sending people to the weekly workshop. That's been working really, really well. Because again, this is kind of like a lead magnet, right? So if you look at the page here, it's like, hey, I'm going to show you how to launch, build, and get paying customers all on this demo here. Okay. So when you send someone there, then it's a lead magnet. It's an easy way to get people to sign up, as you can see in my post. But that's how the affiliate program, that's how you sign up for it. That's how the links work here. Now, I do want to walk you through how you can upgrade to from 30% to 40% commission. Okay. Now, if you go to the JV page, again, it's going to be getmakerai.com/JV, or it's going to be the link down below. You can scroll down, and as you can see, it's usually 30%. But if you scroll down, it says want 40% instead. Okay. So this is how you upgrade to 40% on all products that we sell. Okay. So any products that we sell, you get 40% instead of 30. This is how you do it. Okay. So what you do is you post a YouTube review or some sort of YouTube video about Maker AI, and then you submit that video to on this button here. So you just you put your first name, email, phone number, the YouTube URL, right? So for example, let's just say I'm going to go to, let's just say I made the video on Maker AI. I would go here and select that link, right? So for example, I made this video on Maker AI. So this is, as you can see, Maker AI full tutorial, right? I could go here, share this link, copy that. And then this is the link that you would want to add. And then what we'll do is once you submit that, our team will look at that. And once you have submitted your review, it has to be a full log. It has to be a full YouTube review, okay? Not like a short form video, okay? It doesn't necessarily have to just be a review. It could also be like a comparison video, right? So for example, here's one I did that I did a comparison, right? I compared Lovable and Bolt and Cursor to Maker AI. As long as you have some sort of a video that talks about Maker AI, it doesn't really matter what type of video, okay? So it could be a review video, it could be a comparison video, it could even be a value video, right? So for example, this one right here, I said why 99% of lovable apps fail. And then basically in the video, I talk about why Maker AI is needed to build software using AI, okay? So it doesn't really have to just be a review video. It can be anything that talks about it and different angles as well, okay? So that's how you would increase from 30 to 40% commissions. Definitely recommend that because we're going to bump you up as soon as we approve that. And that's how that works. Now, another cool thing is on this JV page, we give you different ideas, right? So we help you create YouTube videos. We give you the ideas, right? So you add your name, your channel, what kind of video do you want to create? Maybe a beginner's take, a full deep dive. And then it kind of gives you some options here. And then it's going to give you some ideas for the YouTube videos. Okay. So very powerful there. We have this email swipe generator. So you just generate email swipes. And then if you have an email list, you can use that to send people to the links that you want to promote. Okay. Here's some of the numbers that we're seeing with our live webinar, which is again, the workshop that we do live weekly. $35 earnings per click. We're seeing a very high conversion rate and an average cart value of $372 every time someone joins the webinar and we make a sale. That's the average cart value that we're seeing. So very, very cool. And then it gives you some more information here if you want to take a look at that. But that's exactly how you sign up to the Maker AI affiliate program. We also have a Skool group here. If you have any questions for us, if you go to this top link here, it'll take you to the Skool group as well. So we're excited for you to join us and partner with us with Maker AI. This is one of the coolest platforms and softwares on the market. There's nothing like it at the moment. And if you look at the search terms with Lovable and all these AI type softwares, the search terms are absolutely insane. Actually, let me just show you that because I think that's super powerful to understand there. So for example, if you go to search and you just type in Lovable, you'll notice there's 246,000 monthly searches per month. Okay. That's insane. Okay. Now, if you go to, let's just do another one, base 44, which is similar, you can see 550,000 searches per month. Okay. And then Cursor as well, Cursor AI, you can see 823,000 searches per month. So the market is definitely there for this industry. And that's why we wanted to create one of the biggest and best affiliate programs for you guys to promote. That way you guys can make money with this, partner with us, and increase from 30 to 40%. And we really want to help you grow your business. And I've launched multiple affiliate programs in the past, whether it was my courses, my softwares, And we've always had very successful affiliate programs, but this one I'm super excited about because you can increase your commissions by simply doing a YouTube video. You can get high ticket, you can get reoccurring, you can send people to our free workshops. And if someone buys anywhere down the line, you still get paid as an affiliate. So I hope you join us. It's absolutely free to join, even if you're not a MakerAI user. And I promise you're gonna love it because we're gonna make this affiliate program even better and better. So let me know if you have any questions, and we'll see you on the next video.